Okay, so this is a nice little record 00 vise, only small, about 8 inches long. It's more dirty than rusty. A clean up to do it good. First of all, got to take out the pin holding the thread rod in. Now as you unspin the threaded rod, there's going to be a spring and a washer to take off and put separate. Now at the back here is another pin to pull out. Tap through, turn it over and pull it out with a long nose pliers. Wind this back in just a couple of threads, give it a tap, and maybe give it a tap with a hammer, and the guide should just pop straight out like that. Now it's all in pieces where you can degrease everything and give it a good clean. And this goes off for a rinse. A bit of careful masking tape. Cutting with a knife, get nice edges, make sure it's a very sharp blade. Saves you so much time later on. Gives a much better, neater finish. So I've already red primed the entire, sprayed the underneaths of both black, and now it's getting a metallic gold top coat. You'll get 3 coats of gold altogether. Okay, here it's getting wax. I put wax in the screw holes so that if you ever have to take the jaws off, they come off easy. Just use a small screwdriver for this. And as you turn the screws to tighten up on the jaws, the threads will get covered in wax. I waxed everything that's metal so that it can't rust. Okay, so just a quick comparison again. This is what it was like before and after. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe, like, bell and share. Thanks a lot. Have a good evening.